No siree, Bob. That's not it. Now that is it. Morning, Master Designers. And top of the morning. Tonight, we're gonna draw we're gonna draw the yokai trio that we call the nosirs. They cause self-doubt, insecurity, and they work as a trio. And the downside, they're not used to compliments. And get this, there's this special feature on the Yokai Watch when you take too long to put the metal in the watch. It often goes as in the anime. If you put the yokai metal in the wrong way, upside down, you might hear the noser saying It's like a self-correction thing. How that feature was updated was when one of the nosers went into one of Nate's yokai watch, and it found a place to be useful just for correction. Now that's something that you don't see every day. The guy in the middle, he's the one who went into the watch. Now, now here we draw the one in the middle. I meant we drew the one in the middle. Now we drew the one that's on the right. In the Japanese anime, the nosers had one of the nosers had a nose hair, but in the English dub, they upgraded it to make it more appropriate for audiences. So they replaced it with nose ooze. Okay, I admit it. That's still a bit nasty. I'm just glad they decided to update that, even though they saw it twice. I don't understand, especially in the top 10, they still censored it. One thing I don't understand though, how'd the guy in the middle escape from the Yokai Watch? I should probably go ask him, but he'll probably contradict me. Or will he? I don't know. Nice. Lastly, we draw the one that's on the left side. The one with the goggles. Or should I say glasses? There. And finished. That's how you draw the nosirs. All of them. Didn't take too long for me to draw these guys. Man, it was exhausting. If you want to find out more on how to draw the nosirs, to find out more on how to draw other yokai from the other seasons, let me know which character you want me to draw next in the playlist below. That's all for now. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night.